gonna be suffering in this game.
This is the wrong thing, yeah.
What wrong thing?
It's on the audio software.
So you don't know how to record?
Yeah, so I need to download Bandicam.
Oh.
I can have it set up.
Hey, wugga, wugga, hey.
Yes. Okay. Next.
I'm gonna go suffer.
Uninstalling, okay? Oh, wait.
If you check in TikTok, there's a video that can teach you how to record.
I don't know, man.
ส่งรูปให้แล้ว
Come on, I always forget about that.
Who is that to activate it?
Tim, how did you get tickets so fast?
Who is that to activate it? Who is that to activate it?
Tim,
ว่า
and you ask me, how did you get tickets so fast?
Ticket planter, sprouts, or even badges. Because I did a lot of badges. I did so much badges.
Oh, this next quest is so hard. I need to collect 450,000 points from
Dude, mine's even harder, Black Bear's Quest. I gotta collect 15 million pollen.
I bought another egg for 2 million honey. You think it's worth it?
200 million honey?
Oh wait, I forgot. I don't think it's ice slots. Yeah, left.
Really? I mean, it costs 200 million honey for you? That's so expensive.
2 million, not 200 million.
2 million. Oh my god. If it's 200 million, I'm like, oh. I don't even have that much honey. Oh, meteor! Meteor! Where is it? Oh, right there in the pineapple field. Pineapple field. Pineapple field.
What?
Pineapple field. I see it. I see it. I see it. I see it. Gimme! Let's go! Gimme! Pineapple, pineapple is mine! Kill it, bees! Kill it! Kill the enemies! I'm collecting stuff! Ugh, let's go! Getting so much stuff! Oh! Wow! A small one! A small one! Let's go! Oh, big one!
Because they have better chance of luck.
Come on, give me a mythical egg! Give me! Oh wait, the little one! No! Oh, this one's little. I'm gonna take it. Oh, this one's mine! This one's so little. This one's mine. This one's mine! Oh! I got so much stuff. I got so much stuff. Let's go. I got 2 stuff. Oh, this one. Where? It lasts for 3 minutes. Yeah, it goes on for 3. It's in the stump field. It's in the stump field now. Oh, a little one. I'm gonna get all the ones. Oh, little one. It's mine. Oh, the meteorite's about to go. Oh, it's nighttime. Come on, gimme. Oh, small one. This thing's so good. Oh, take it. A small one. Let's go. Oh, big one. Oh, take it. This is so hard to farm in this field. I get 2 of them. I get 4 of them. Wait, it ends now. It's in the mushroom field.
Let's go.
Oh, it's also in the strawberry field. I'm gonna go to a mushroom. But there's so much people stealing in the mushroom.
Okay,
seconds, so we still have another minute. Oh, meteorites! Oh, small one! Let's go! What stuff did I get? I got so much honey! I'm like so rich! Did it end yet? No, it did not yet. It did not end yet. It did not end yet. It's about to end. It's about to end. Get it all. Get it all. Get it all. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. Come on. Come on. Give me. Give me. Is it end? It ended. Oh man. Wow. I got 20 more tickets.
I jumped up to 3 million honey.
Even a honey store. Oh my god, I got 100 royal jellies.
Wow, 60. I'm so sad, man.
At least we got a ton of stuff.
Thank you for that. How many tickets do I have now? 5? Let me know what we got. 4 tickets. I got 1 ticket. I'm so sad, man. And what should I buy? I have 3 million honey now.
Bubble one?
Okay, yeah. Wait, Bubble One is really good. It's better than the Honey Dipper.
I know, but it's not better than the porcelain dipper.
It's the same as the porcelain dipper with something else.
I know who loves blueberries, but I'm gonna give some to Rage Blee. Rage Blee don't love blueberries.
Only bluebees love blueberries. Only bluebees.
Ninja don't love it. Oh, music bee.
Only bluebees love. Only bluebees, right?
Yeah, only blueberries.
So good, June. This is so good. God. Why is it so good?
What good? The meteorites?
No, the bubble one. It's so good. It's destroying this blue field instead, bro. You see this? Bro, it's destroying.
But I'm gonna use the porcelain dipper because it's pretty good.
Look at me. Go to the blue flower field. Look at me just.
They're destroying it. I know the bubble one breaks the whole field. But that doesn't make it's not the most powerful in the game.
No.
There's more powerful stuff. Like the Tide Popper.
The Tide Popper is so good. It can destroy this one field in 10 seconds.
Boom. Mountaintop field, boom, 20 seconds.
Every pinch way it spawns a okay. This is so good now. Every pinch wait. Cameron, why am I getting so much money?
I'm also getting it.
No, I mean, why am I getting so much? I'm getting so much pollen each second.
You should buy the 11 million backpack.
1.5 million.
He got this really, really good. I'm using it because it's good. I cannot destroy entire field now because I got sprinklers. They're helping me. So then I get more pollen.
That's why you can't destroy them in time. Okay, yes, I got the best boost. I got the best boost I can today.
Well, you're so lucky with boots. My boots are like so trash.
I got the pine tree forest boost.
No!
Can I start recording now?
You know how to record now?
Yes.
Then record. I'm literally like recording, you know. Oh my god! I got the mountaintop field boost. Let's go! Let's go. I needed this mountaintop field boost.
Yes, go.
I still think the pine tree forest is better.
Pine tree forest, but chai bees do not like pine tree forest. They're just gonna go sleep. If you have a chai bee, do not go to pine tree. But if you have a quest, you can go there. Because chai bee does not love pine field because it's not good for chai bee. In the mountaintop field, chai bee gives you more pollen. So much red.
Okay,
Where's my bee gone?
Oh, Drumhead. Who is that?
I don't know where all my bees gone, but
okay, why is this so good, bro? I knew it was going to spin. Okay,
my backpack fills about in a second, bro.
let's start recording now.
I'm already recording. I did my recording already.
Okay, then I'm gonna start recording.
I got 200 trees from back there. He's so nice. Black Bear just gave me 200 trees. Wow, he's better than the mother bear. I'm gonna report to Onnit that we should delete mother bear. She's like, give me free 10,000 treats.
You're not doing this.
Like, William, do you not think mother bear quest is so annoying?
Mother bear is actually kind of good, man.
I know it's kind of good, but it's so hard to get it. Like, you gotta farm until you get bees leveled up. It's like,
Sorry? Recording.
you started recording?
Yep. Hey, Tim.
Hey, what?
I'm gonna come on, stop it.
I need a farm. I need a farm in the mushroom field. I don't know how to get mushrooms, but I don't know why the mushroom fields give me strawberries.
Oh, wait, we forgot to introduce.
Why is bee swarm logic so bad? If you go to mushroom field, you get a strawberry. Hey yo, what?
You forgot to introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name's Thames Guy. Hello.
Hello, guys. My name's William. Today we're gonna be making bees content. Check out our other friends who also make content as well. They make good content, and yeah, schedule is just bees has picked up a bit of words and some pet simulator apps.
Honey storm.
Why are you so obsessed with Honey Storm?
Honey storm give tickets. And I need invent bees.
Tickets too. I need like 400 of them. Yeah.
Please subscribe so that we can get Robux.
Subscribe if you want. You don't need to subscribe. No,
Please subscribe. We need Robux to get more content.
Don't listen to him. He says something bad.
What?
Okay.
Ooh, this game's so hard.
You don't need to be saying very much to content. Just be positive. Alright?
Mine's so hard to get honey. I'ma do honey storm again. Let's go. No, I don't want honey. I want tickets.
No, I mean, are you trying to be funny?
Yeah, I'm trying to be funny. What do you mean? You said be funny.
Be funny if you want, man. You don't need to be funny.
Good thing I don't have camera in front of my face.
I'm running every loop on, no, I mean,
How to get food? Go to one feed. Oh, I'm done with dumb mother bear quest. Let's go.
oh, you're done with the mother bear quest?
Nope. Oh, thank you, mother bear. I deserve more. You gave me a little bit. Oh my god.
Bro, you should be happy she even gives you anything, bro.
She only gave me one treat. 3 royal jellies and 1 ticket. And then only 1 million honey. That's not barely anything.
1 million honey is so good for me.
But it's not good for me. 2 million honey is good. Eee, why is she so bad? Ah,
I really need a new backpack.
I really need the mushroom field. Boost. Give me. I want mushroom field boost. Please do not be Rose. No!
Actually,
I don't want to get Rose. I want to get Strawberry. I don't want to roll dice. That's wasting mine. I ran out of dice. I really want this. I really want the mushroom field.
okay, I know. Just don't be mad in front of the camera, man.
I'm not mad. I used all my ingredients.
You're mad.
No, I'm not mad. I would use caps.
I literally can smell your cat.
What?
I'm smelling your cat.
You're smelling what?
I can smell the cat.
No! Not my funniness. Oh no, my chandelier's moving.
I saw the ticket.
Give me ticket.
Tickets.
Can you share tickets? Right now I need 300 tickets from you. Give me 300 tickets.
No, give me all your money. Yeah, give me all your money. 2 times 5.
I only have 1 honey. What do you mean?
I have 1 million honey.
Can you give me all your honey? Why? Right now I really need honey.
Didn't you just say 1 million honey in the factory?
I just want your honey.
So I can go broke?
No, I'm gonna buy stuff for you and then give you honey back.
Nah, man. Nah.
Nah, what? Wait, what the? I just saw a ladybug with 1 million health coming to me. Ah! I'ma die. I'm running.
Can someone get a dog winner for this?
Who's a bear? Why is this noob is a bear? Dude, stop stealing my stuff, Bacon.
Bro, can you be positive?
Positive what?
Like, can you just not shout, bro?
Okay.
Don't shout before I start shouting. You can shout when I shout, okay? I'm not shouting now.
Okay.
I'm never gonna shout.
No.
You don't have permission to shout. Right?
But I can shout in my recording video.
No.
You know I'm recording about like 10 minutes now.
Yeah, now?
I can shout.
I've been recording for 7 minutes.
Wait, let me see again. How many minutes have been recording? Oh my 20 minutes.
Yeah, let's keep recording, man.
I know, but I think we're gonna like record to 24 hours.